I'm Shara from Level 2C. Today, let's learn how electric cars can help clean the future. Imagine a world without clean air to breathe. I will share insight from an article called An Electric Future. Let's dive into electric cars. General Motors (GM) plans to stop making gas cars by 2035 and switch to electric. GM's first electric car was Chevy Bolt. Electric cars are better for the earth because they reduce air pollution. A teacher says electric cars are the future. Some power plants are still improving batteries, and we can use clean energy like wind and solar. Electric cars are important because they reduce carbon emissions and help fight climate change. Using energy from the sun, wind, and water reduce our reliance on oil and gas, making less pollution. I believe more people should use electric cars because they reduce pollution and help stop climate change. I'm glad we learned why GM is making electric cars. When I grow up, I want to buy one to learn more. You can read about how batteries work and how GM is creating new cars. Thank you, everyone.